On a recent episode of his wildly popular podcast, Joe Rogan dropped a bombshell that left his listeners stunned. According to Rogan, Voyager 1, humanity's farthest and longest-lived spacecraft, made a mysterious encounter in the uncharted depths of space and astonishingly, turned back. The claim, wrapped in Rogan's characteristic blend of curiosity and skepticism, instantly ignited debates across social media and news outlets. But what did Rogan actually say, and how plausible is this extraordinary scenario? Rogan described a scenario where Voyager 1, after traveling more than 14 billion miles away from Earth, encountered something so inexplicable that it triggered an automatic maneuver to change its course. The encounter, according to Rogan, involved an unidentified phenomenon that interfered with the spacecraft's systems. While the specifics of this phenomenon were left deliberately vague, Rogan hinted at possibilities ranging from advanced alien technology to unknown cosmic forces, capturing the imaginations of his audience. To understand the gravity of Rogan's claim, it's important to recognize the achievements and current status of Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 has been a pioneer in space exploration, providing invaluable data about the outer planets and now, the interstellar space. Currently, Voyager 1 is more than 14 billion miles from Earth, making it the most distant human-made object. It continues to send data back to NASA, although the communication delay is over 21 hours one way. However, the idea of Voyager 1 turning back is where Rogan's claim starts to strain credulity. For one, the spacecraft is not equipped with the thrusters or fuel capacity needed to reverse its trajectory in any significant way. Its mission was designed for a one-way journey into the cosmos, relying on gravitational assists to slingshot it ever further into space. Moreover, the craft's current communication systems, while still functional, are operating on limited power, focusing on sending data back to Earth rather than executing complex maneuvers. Interestingly, recent scientific discoveries do add some context to Rogan's narrative. Voyager 1 has indeed encountered unexpected phenomena in deep space. For example, in 2022, the spacecraft detected a persistent hum of interstellar gas, a discovery that suggests a more dynamic and turbulent environment than previously thought. This hum, or plasma waves, could potentially affect the spacecraft's instruments, leading to anomalous readings or data that might be misinterpreted as evidence of an encounter. However, these phenomena, while fascinating, are far from the dramatic and intentional course change suggested by Rogan. NASA has been clear in its communications that while Voyager 1 occasionally experiences technical glitches, such as recent issues with its attitude articulation and control system, these are expected given its advanced age and distance from Earth. There has been no indication from NASA that Voyager 1 has encountered anything that would necessitate a change in course, let alone turn back. Despite the fantastical nature of Rogan's claim, it highlights a broader truth: humanity's venture into the unknown reaches of space continually teases our imaginations and challenges our understanding. Whether through the lens of scientific discovery or speculative wonder, the journey of Voyager 1 remains one of the most remarkable human achievements, inviting us to ponder what lies beyond our small, blue planet. Rogan's story, while lacking in factual support, serves as a reminder of the enduring allure of space exploration and the mysteries that await us in the cosmos. Joe Rogan's claim that Voyager 1 encountered something in deep space and turned back is a captivating narrative, but it requires scrutiny from a scientific perspective. Voyager 1, launched by NASA in 1977, is humanity's furthest and longest-lived spacecraft, traveling more than 14 billion miles from Earth. Its mission was to explore the outer planets, but it has continued to send back valuable data from interstellar space. However, the notion that it could encounter an unknown entity and reverse its course defies current scientific understanding and the spacecraft's capabilities. Firstly, it's essential to clarify the technical limitations of Voyager 1. The spacecraft was not designed to navigate or make autonomous decisions about its trajectory. It follows a predetermined path set by its initial launch and subsequent gravitational assists from planets. Any deviation from this course would require commands from NASA, sent through the Deep Space Network, and not the spacecraft's own initiative. Additionally, the onboard systems of Voyager 1 are outdated by today's standards and are primarily focused on transmitting scientific data back to Earth rather than conducting real-time navigational maneuvers. Recent discoveries in space science further challenge the idea of a mysterious encounter. Voyager 1 entered interstellar space in 2012, and since then, it has been sending back data about the interstellar medium of the space between stars. This data includes information on cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and plasma waves, which has provided scientists with unprecedented insights into this previously unexplored region. One of the significant findings is the detection of a hum of interstellar gas, which helps researchers understand the density and dynamics of the interstellar medium. There have been no reports of anomalies or encounters that would suggest a need for the spacecraft to turn back. Moreover, space is vast and mostly empty, making the likelihood of encountering a physical object or entity extremely low. The interstellar medium is not dense enough to pose any navigational hazards to spacecraft. Any potential encounters with objects would be detected well in advance by Voyager's instruments, which would alert NASA scientists, allowing them to take precautionary measures if necessary. So far, the data received from Voyager 1 has not indicated any such threats. Interestingly, some anomalies in space have captured scientists' attention, though not in the way Rogan's claim suggests. For instance, researchers are intrigued by fast radio bursts, which are intense, millisecond-long bursts of radio waves originating from distant galaxies. These phenomena are still not fully understood and are a subject of ongoing research. While these bursts are not related to Voyager 1, they exemplify the kind of mysterious events that do occur in the cosmos and drive scientific inquiry. In conclusion, while Joe Rogan's claim is undoubtedly engaging, it is not supported by the current scientific understanding of Voyager 1's mission and capabilities. The spacecraft continues to provide valuable data from the frontier of interstellar space without any indication of turning back. It is crucial to approach such sensational claims with a critical mind, relying on verified scientific data and understanding the limitations and achievements of our space exploration technologies.